It was a tense atmosphere inside the full-packed Court of Appeal room as supporters of Mityana District Woman MP Joyce Bagala and Minister of Lands, Housing and Urban Development Judith Nabakooba waited for the court's verdict. Bagala ran to Court of Appeal asking it to overturn the ruling of Mubende High Court that her victory was characterized by voter bribery, intimidation of voters, among other irregularities. Henry Muhweza, the Assistant Registrar of Court of Appeal, read the judgment on behalf of Justices Geoffrey Chiriabwire, Stephen Musota and Christopher Gashirabaki. In the judgment, the Justices quashed the lower court's decision where Judge Emmanuel Baguma had nullified Bagala's victory. He ordered for fresh elections.
We agree with the submissions and reasoning of the appellant and second respondent commission and find the cross appeal has not proved their case.
The justices said that the lower court erred in law by nullifying Joyce Bagala's victory. Each party will bear its costs. The justices also dismissed a cross appeal, which was filed by Judith Nabakooba, where she wanted court to declare her as the elected member of parliament for Mityana district.
We find that the cross appeal did not have a strong case for the counterclaim, save for the argument that both the quantitative and qualitative tests should have been applied to finding of non-compliance with the electoral laws.
Joyce Bagala and his supporters could not hide their joy after the judgment.
I have been telling you we won this election, and after winning the election, someone petitioned, said we come to court. So we came to court, and I've again defeated that person. I'm sure right now she's very calm and has understood that I defeated her. It is now time to serve the people of Mityana.
We are glad that court has upheld the will of the people. We really appreciate that, and this is a good precedent on questions of evidence and on matters of bribery. It is the regime that bribes the people.
Nabakooba declined to speak to journalists, arguing that she would comment after reading the judgment. The same court ordered a retrial in the High Court of an election petition where NUP's Fred Nyanzi Sentamu is challenging Muhammad Nsereko's victory as the Kampala Central Member of Parliament. The three justices ruled that Nyanzi proved before court that he took all the necessary steps to serve Nsereko with a copy of his petition. Justices have ordered the petition to be handled by a different judge.
But I thank the Court of Appeal for being sober. I know I've been bounced back to the High Court where I was cheated, but I'm going to be consistent and more resilient. It has been paining me. In my case, not even a single page was opened. It's fortunate now that they are going to read this case and evidence is going to be produced by my witness.
Judge Margaret Apinyi of the High Court in Kampala declined to accept Nyanzi's application where he wanted court to allow him serve Nsereko through media after he had failed to serve him in person. Nsereko will also meet Nyanzi's costs of the appeal. Flavian Inkuze for CTV, PM Edition.